Let's find the derivative with respect to x of sine raised to the fourth of x. First, we rewrite sine of x with a bracket on the left and on the right. We put the exponent of 4 on the outside. We do this so that it's clear that sine of x is the inside function, and raising to the fourth is the outside function. The chain rule states that the derivative of f of g of x is the derivative of the outside, f prime, evaluated at g of x, multiplied by the derivative of the inside, g prime of x. Applying the chain rule here means we put 4 on the left, copy sine of x inside the brackets unchanged, subtract 1 from the exponent, and set up the multiplication by the derivative of the inside, sine of x. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Your support is very important. Getting back to the math, we get 3 as the exponent now, and the derivative of the inside is cosine of x. By convention, we drop the brackets and place the exponent of 3 between the word sin and the argument of x. Here is all the work for easy reference, and go in peace and spread the message of math to all the corners of the world.